What is comparative negligence? How can it impact my auto injury claim? Attorney Edward Flores explains. Negligence is when somebody causes an injury to you or a passenger in your car as a result of their legal fault. Comparative negligence is when the accident or collision happens as a result of the negligence of two parties, you and another party. When this happens, the amount of the judgment will be reduced by the level of your own negligence. For example, if you're in a car accident and a jury finds you to be 40% at fault and the other party is 60% at fault, and they award $100,000, the court will reduce the amount of the judgment by 40%, the amount of your negligence. Instead of getting a $100,000 judgment, you would get a $60,000 judgment. When you need a personal injury or criminal defense attorney in Orange County, California, and surrounding counties, contact the law office of Edward R. Flores and let him get to work immediately to protect you and your interests.